And you should see now the parachutes are now deploying as the team begin to get into formation, immediately into what we call the snake formation, which is effectively one parachute is behind the other and they turn 180 degrees back up the jump run. And today we're looking for 9 canopies. That'll be 6 in the initial formation, and you'll see 3 parachutists who have separated themselves from the main group, who are our flag bearers today. And the team coach, Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, has now called them to get into their first formation. And they're going to our dedication today, which is the heart. And this is dedicated to everybody here today at RAF Cosford, but particularly to anybody who's been involved with the C-130 Hercules, but also to a couple of our special guests here today. It's Jimmy and Monica Morgan, who've come here to see the Falcons. The team are now going to go into the split. Odd numbers go left, even numbers go right. And the coach will go for a 90 degrees to go back on themselves, create 2 separate snake formations. And then they go with a tight turn on the canopy, straight back towards each other, a closing speed of around 40-50 miles an hour. And then immediately, once they've completed the crisscross, into our signature move, which is the carousel. This one is a great one for photographs. Once again, you can see how tight the team are when they're getting right tucked in behind each other, flying through each other's smoke trail and creating that lovely corkscrew effect. And what you can hear there is Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons live.
Yeah, keep taking us on.
And what he's doing now is calling the team into their final manoeuvre to line up for landing. Once they're into the snake formation, they will come down, one behind the other, and they will manoeuvre into what we call the ducks formation. And this requires a huge amount of skill because they can then fly safely in line with each other and will come down onto the drop zone alongside each other to try and land simultaneously as one team. And not forgetting, of course, our 3 flag bearers at the top there. Today, flying the flags, we've got Sergeant Doug McCall, Sergeant Andy Leach, and Sergeant Gay Coleman-Roffit flying the colours of the Union flag and the Royal Air Force ensign. Flying the colours, the red, white and blue, wherever we go. The RAF Falcons are proud to display all over the country and all over the world, representing the very best of parachuting, the Royal Air Force and Great Britain. So once again, Cosford, massive cheers please for the RAF Falcons. And leading the team in then, as I said, is Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, this year's team coach, followed up by Sergeant Paddy Gilwar, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, Corporal Joe Finch, Sergeant Owen Collins, and last but not least, OC Falcons Flight Lieutenant Mike Reeve. Once the guys are on the ground, they will very quickly get their equipment stowed away and secure, and they will then do the famous Falcons lineup. So those of you down at the flight line near the front will get a great view of the Falcons And again, a historic moment for us. We'll be doing the line-up today alongside our French counterparts, Team FedEx. And that is our last Falcon safely down on the ground.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm sure you'll agree with me, that's an absolutely fantastic way to open the flying programme here at the Cosford Airshow 2023. We are now expecting a fly past, and this is a very special fly past by the C-130 Hercules.
Loud is about to happen.
Difficult to believe, but in just a few days' time, this aircraft will leave RAF service.
Do you want to about to actually record this?